I just dusted these the other day. They're doing road construction. Every time the freaking vehicles go by and rattle the road, it knocks the popcorn off the ceiling. What the hell? Finally finding my gumption. Gonna be getting back to it. I lost my wind in my sails. Trying to find it again. Appreciate the input and appreciate the push for those that are saying you missed a mad scientist musician. It means the world to me and it gives me drive to do it some more. So keep it up, y'all. Really appreciate it. I'll see you in the future.